As a plumber, you're a problem solver. We may get a little dirtier than some of the other ones do sometimes, but sometimes that dirt gives us satisfaction too, that we know we got the job done. Plumbers don't go away. They just don't. It never stops. They have to keep us to keep everything going. And you can become a hero for the day, especially if somebody doesn't have hot water or something in their bathroom doesn't work correctly. The skills you learn in the plumbing trade will stay with you the rest of your life. It's an investment in yourself. In this plumbing class, the first thing we're going to teach you is how to do things safe. We're safe using tools, safe on our actions, and safe watching out for other people. The second thing we're going to learn how to do is we're going to learn how to do it right the first time. Speed is not as critical as getting it just right, so you don't have to go back and do it twice. We're going to learn how to use a tape measure and measure pipe, how to cut and connect all the different kinds of pipe that you can possibly run into, how it's put in and installed. We'll also learn how to make a decent living in here by using the skills you learn from this class to get you a well-paying job where you can have a career, and you won't have to go to college for 4 years, and you won't have to be in debt for $100,000. I feel that there's a great satisfaction in learning how to do a job using one's hands, and to be able to use your hands and your mind together in concert to solve a problem. You never know everything, but you just keep adding and adding and adding until you become very, very efficient at what you do. And then you can take that skill as an investment and become a very successful person very early in life. And you can attain a permanent lifetime career, stability in a career, a permanent income. We would like to see our students succeed at anything that they tried to do. I'd like them to be known as a good, upstanding citizen and do their job as best of their ability. If they want to become a plumber, I would like them to be the best plumber that they could be in this end of the state, if not in the country.